Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding purpose and audience because clarity shapes everything that follows. Once done, pick a single central message that your audience can repeat later. Make sure to profile 3 audience types so you tailor tone and examples. This avoids wasted content. Next, choose 2 strong supporting points that prove the message. Finally, set measurable goals, attendance, survey scores, or action rate, so you know when preparation is complete and why each step matters. You now build the speech framework, starting with a tight outline, a hook, 3 main points, and a memorable close. This ensures logical flow and retention. Then craft transitions so listeners follow your reasoning. Make each segue purposeful. Once the spine exists, write concise language and add 1 interactive moment to engage attention. Simultaneously design slides with 1 idea per visual and readable fonts. Finally, rehearse sections, allowed to tune timing, and discover weak spots before full run-throughs. You finish by rehearsing and refining until delivery feels natural. Do 3 full dress rehearsals with a timer and realistic conditions. This reveals pacing and timing issues. Once done, gather targeted feedback and cut roughly 20% of material to sharpen clarity and emphasis. Make sure to prepare backups, USB, PDF slides, and a speaker contact, so technology failures don't derail you. If nerves spike on stage, slow your breathing, pause, and reset with your strongest line to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.